Hello everyone, this is Alan from Technology Moments, and we continue to evaluate great products for you, so if you're in the decision-making process of buying one of them, you'll make the right choice. Our sole purpose is to bring to you our experience with them, and today's summary video is for this great camera that we've been using for a couple weeks, and we wanted to share with you part of that experience as well. I'll be showing you what we found, and through this process, you'll see real footage captured by this camera. What you get in the box, by the way, extraordinarily packaged and very well protected, is instructions, wall and ceiling support, the camera itself, anchors and connectors, and accessories and data cable. Basically everything you'll need. Mounting it either against the wall or to the ceiling is very easy, and you'll just need to follow the instructions and illustrations which are provided in the printed guide, the app, as well as the video available once you start setting it up. This not only for assembling the two parts, which is very simple and all the screws are included, but for the final installation and how to use the safety accessories included, as well as the anchors. This brand specifically suggests something that we advise everyone to do before mounting any camera, which is setting it up on top of your desktop, which is very simple due to the included USB Type-C cable. This means that you're gonna be able to power up and use the camera using it, or you can, as I eventually did, connect it using the cables that the camera is gonna actually use as its real power source. Both worked very well. This, as I like to test everything so I can rule out many aspects if I have a problem. Setting it up is as simple as it can get, as camera is discovered before even trying to add it. Also very simple, following of course the user's guide. Either in Android or iOS, it just took a couple minutes to create the account and add the first camera. After this, we found a very solid app which we liked a lot. Remember that the app is as important as the hardware. First thing that we noticed is that you'll be able to have simultaneous users from several devices, something that many will benefit from. You can also share with other users your camera feed. Up to 128GB of flash memory will let you have plenty of footage locally, and you can also choose to have plans, as with any other camera. The big advantage that this one has is that it supports 24/7 recording, very useful too. Navigating the app is very helpful, as it'll give you a sense of all the features available with this great camera. We have also liked a lot of them, comparing it with many others. For example, the powerful support like for night view with many customization options is fantastic. Also, a powerful speaker for intercom, a panorama view that you can generate at any moment and that'll take you to a specific spot just by tapping on the image, and much more. Auto cruise, if you want to have several locations monitored, is very useful, as well as AI detection for different triggers, which can give you an idea of what's going on when you receive a notification, which by the way also works very well. Related to this, there is a motion sensing and AI detection that will let the camera track the motion, and then go back to the previous location where it was pointing at, something very useful in 360-degree cameras. The spotlight can be controlled through your digital assistant, something that I really like as I use him a lot from many locations, and I would like to have the option of triggering the light when I want. As for stability, this is something that everyone is looking for. This camera never failed to show live views, and response from Alexa devices was fast and easy to link to the skill. If you decide not to use 24/7 recording and instead you choose to have motion detection active, our advice always is to go from a higher setting to a lower one so you will not lose any event from being recorded. Always test and test again before relying on any camera. If you're not sure, go for 24/7. As for checking recordings, even from mobile devices, if they feature a big screen, you'll notice the quality at which this camera records. It is actually outstanding, comparable to high-end cameras as we've seen. Watching those recordings is outstanding from this app. Even in 24/7 mode, events are labeled and easily tracked, so you won't lose time when searching for an event. Response loading them is very fast, even while recording, which is something that caught our attention. It has a very good performance overall. Power consumption, for those of you who are interested in this fact, is just a little above the average camera, but it's a little bit more powerful, a little higher when light comes on. Motion tracking 24/7, light support, IR mode, schedules, alarms, automatic sunset, spotlight, two-way intercom are features that we liked very much from this device, and it would actually take a much longer video to show all the benefits that this camera can offer. We have added it to our list of recommended products as it is worth the investment that you make. It is a camera that looks very good, does its job, it is very powerful in terms of features and availability, and the most important thing, it is as reliable as any camera should be. We appreciate you watching this video, we hope it was of great help if you're considering to buy this great 3K 360-degree camera with a powerful spotlight for your house, your office, or just your premises. See you next time.